Here we bring you 8 reasons why you should have Eduvarate Kids preschool curriculum for your school and why it is the best for your school to make your school an unique place for the parents as well as the kids. Number 1, Eduvarate Kids brings an unique kit which will help you to measure the initial skill of the child when the child and parents are coming to your school for inquiring about your school for taking admission of their kid. And this kit is based on completely scientific way, and this kit provides that parents should know what are the important things that school must follow in order to build the skill in their children. And this kit has been proven that any inquiry coming to your school would help your counselors and teachers to convert them into admission by more than 99%. Second, Eduvarate Kids brings you the complete learning management system for the benefit of designing your whole curriculum. It provides you a ready-made curriculum which will help the teachers without putting a lot of efforts. They can simply follow the scientifically designed curriculum which will bring the maximum best output in the child in terms of the skill development. This is an easy method to follow, and there is no need that teachers will be spending maximum time in designing and working and other things. So this is a ready-made method for your school to simply follow and get the maximum result. Third, support and assistance. Eduvarate Kids gives you an unique way and systematic way of monitoring and assessing the skill of the child every month. It is very important for the schools to follow and assess the child in each and every aspect of the skill development. Based on Eduvarate Kids skill development plan, it providing you a kit of each and every month that a child can be assessed, and the same assessment can be recorded for the future reference. It's a fantastic tool. No school in India is providing such kind of very systematic way of assessment, and Eduvarate Kids is bringing you this support for your school, which make both kid and parents to take the maximum benefit of the skill development provided from your school. Fourth is providing a lot of feedback to the parent about the skill development of the child. Research says if parents are aware about the skill development detailing of the child that's happening in the school, then parents take necessary action, and parents are becoming very happy to learn what is happening to the child's skill development plans. So Eduvarate Kids program will provide you an opportunity that the school will be seamlessly providing such information and feedback to the parents so that parents can take necessary action to make sure that all the possible skill is being provided to the child and the child is not lagging behind in any kind of skill development in the preschool years. Fifth, Eduvarate Kids brings you one beautiful preschool learning app, and this app provides you complete preschool learning system in place. It provides you teaching schedule, it provides you ebooks, it provides you more than 3,000 activities exercises. It brings you the research-based magazine of Eduvarate Kids called Kids Packet. It provides lots of assessment tools which the child needs to be assessed so that no skill remaining unattended, and it provides a lots of learning videos. Not only provide the basic academic management of preschool years, but it provides the school its own branding system. The schools can manage their own brand in this app, so that when their parents look to this app, they feel that it is provided from their own school. Sixth support that EduBharat Kids provides you a complete quality management assistant for your school to grow continuously and brings the best of the academic support to the parents and the children. As per the standard quality management procedures for the preschools, so it has brought 7 areas where the school can grow automatically and school can make assessment by themselves, so that there is an opportunity for the school to make sure they don't leave anything to make their school grow. 7 assistants EduBharat Kid brings you is the complete system of performance management at the end of the program. It follows a 4-step process through which it ensures that your school will not leave anything that the child will not be getting or child will not be assessed after completing the whole program. So it has got a very, very systematic way of assessment of the year-end plans. So it provides your school a fantastic way that when the child is leaving your school, you provide a complete document the child carries with him or her, and when they move to a bigger school, then they find it's very, very useful, and the school authorities also acknowledge such kind of effort from your school. And finally, the 8th support, the 8th assistance it provides to your school, which is very, very important, that is the continuous training support. EduBharat Kid is basically a research institute and supporting preschools to grow in both academic as well as functionally. To make it happen, EduBharat Kids provides 24/7 training support to your school. May it be the basic curriculum development, it is all about prime methodology that EduBharat Kids has involved in designing the whole thing. Then it also provides you training on teaching and teaching schedule designing and evaluation plans. It provides the unique training that how you can counsel the parents to make sure that parents have a belief system and a huge trust on your school. And it also provides complete training how to manage this preschool learning app, so that you can make your school an unique place and communicate rightly to your parents. So everything EduBharat Kids has combined together make it as academic kit and provides to the school to make them a better place for the kids to learn. So we are there at EduBharat Kids to assist you in developing your brand, in developing your school, both in functionally as well as academically. So if you are interested to collaborate with EduBharat Kids to take all the benefits, we are ready to collaborate with you with a huge discount of 25% to 40%. And what you pay only for the kids. Rest of the support system, these 8 support systems coming absolutely free to your school as a good gesture, as our collaboration to make the preschool education a fantastic and rewarding experience for both kids and parents which are associated with your school. So we would love to assist you in making your school an unique place for skill building. And if you look forward to collaborate with us, please connect us by calling 9168924064, or you can WhatsApp us, so that we'll be reaching out to you to make all the possible support to your school. Thank you.